Hello everyone, today's menu will be cheesy taco and cauliflower skillet. This delicious meal comes together quickly and is a perfect weeknight meal. The best part is that it's low carb. So, if you're ready, let's go over the ingredients and let's get cooking. Taco seasoning, a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, frozen bell peppers and onions, shredded cheese, 1 pound of ground beef, and cauliflower rice. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in some ground beef, and then I'm just going to break it up a little bit just to make it easier to work with. And then once it's all broken down, I'm going to add in the onions and bell peppers, and then also give that a stir to combine. And then I'm going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the beef is no longer pink. And then once the meat is brown, I'm going to add in the cauliflower rice. And what I have here is fresh, but if you wish, you can go ahead and use frozen too. Okay, and then I'm going to add in the diced tomato and green chili, along with the taco seasoning. And I did make my own, and I will have the recipe in the description box down below if you want to use my taco seasoning. And then I'm just going to give this a stir and cook this for about 8 minutes or until the cauliflower is nice and tender. After a good couple minutes, going to add in some cheese, just all over the top. And I'm also going to turn off the heat. And then I'm just going to cover it with the lid for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Here is the end results of the taco cauliflower skillet. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.